Before you do anything, you want to keep the end in mind. Right now, you may be in a state where you don't know exactly where to start, you don't know how to get a job or how to make money programming, and you barely know anything. So I want to tell you that before you do anything, you want to keep the end in mind. Meaning, what is your goal? Do you want to become a web developer? Do you want to become a data scientist? Do you want to become a software engineer? If you're doing web development, do you want to do full stack? Do you want to do front end? Do you want to do back end? Or are you just a business person who just wants to automate tasks at work? Do you want to do automation testing? Do you want to do cybersecurity and ethical hacking? There's so many different ways that you can go. You can also do game design. Like you can use like C++ and Unreal Engine to create these amazing games that you're seeing right now on the PS5 or something like that. You really need to dial down and focus on what do you want to accomplish, and even how much money do you want to make. Yes, that's important, but also you want to be happy making this money. So make a choice and stick to it. Tanner Success out.